Okay, folks, just real quick, I'm gonna bust this through. All right, so the idea here is we're gonna just kind of like put some lines on here. This is more an art project than a math project, a little bit of math. But we're gonna make a triangle in quadrant one. Quadrant one is obviously here, right? Quadrant two, quadrant three, and then quadrant four, right? But in quadrant one, we're gonna make a triangle. And the idea here is all I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw some lines here. I'm going to put vertices. You know what? I think I'm going to do my triangle first. So I'm going to do a point here, and a point here. Here. So I'm going to have, and actually, I'm going to put my point here. Okay, let's kind of randomly choose 3 different points in quadrant one, and I'm gonna draw my line. My lines here, just kind of straight all the way across, right? And that should put some points in different quadrants, right? And this is going to be the basis for the other shapes that I make. Okay, so I've got this triangle right here, and then I'm going to label the points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 5, 10. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 5. And then let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 9, 9 right there. So I just kind of label them as I go. And then that's going to be my triangle right there, okay? So then that's my triangle in quadrant one, right? Let's draw a quadrilateral in quadrant two. So I'm actually going to use this point right here and let's do this point, and then let's do this point. So quadrilateral is just a four-sided shape. I'm actually gonna bring this one in right here. So that way I get a line that goes into quadrant three. So I draw a four-sided shape here, right? So I got this shape right here, and then I've got this shape here. And as I go, like I'm generating other shapes here, but I want to focus on, I'm going to get some colors, so I'll be right back. So let's see. So, and I'm focusing my shape using the points that I make, right? So I've got this one here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do all of the shapes that I did in one color, and then I'm going to kind of color it in with other colors. So I've got that one there. That's my triangle. And then I have this shape, this point here at, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then if this is 6, that's 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8, 6. This one here is over 3. And then up 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 12. And then this one is down 1, so it's up 11, but it's out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then up to 11. And then, yeah, that's my quadrilateral right there. All right. I might even take like a Sharpie or something and really, really emphasize the shapes that I make. There. So I've got my quadrant one shape was my triangle. Quadrant two is my quadrilateral. Quadrant three will be a pentagon. So I'm going to have a point here, and a point here for that. And then I'll just use this one. This is actually going to be a fractional point, which is okay. But that's 1, 2, 3, and for pentagon I need 5 sides. So let's do those right there. So then I'm going to have this go all the way across. This one go down here, here, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Right, and so I'm going to make that 5-sided shape. Does not have to be a regular pentagon. If you want to make these regular, like meaning same sides, same angles, that's fine, but you don't have to do that, right? None of my shapes have been regular so far. And I'm going to kind of like do the last part of this real quick because the bell's going to be ringing soon. So that's my pentagon there. And again, this you'd want to make this look prettier. And then my last one, let's see, it's going to be a hexagon. How you doing?
Too much. I might need you to do it for the 5th test too.
Okay, that's fine.
But we don't have a 6th test, and then I'm doing the end of course, but I'll do that at the end. So.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Thanks.
All good. So this is going to be a hexagon. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So I'm going to do this real quick because the bell is about to ring. And again, I want to put the intersection points right, but I am running out of time, so we're not going to be doing that. But I've got my hexagon right here. It's going to be this shape here. Right. And then I'm going to emphasize it with that. And this is not a super mathy project, I suppose, but what are you going to do? And then I would, do each of these points with the coordinate. But as we're going to be going to class, that's about all I can do at the moment.